How's my other good GoPro? It's lucky. I'm dragging him around. I'm dragging him.
No, stop.
I hope there's a good pants and your mom kicks your ass for trashing them too. I hope she does. I hope your ass catches on fire. All right, we're gonna see if we can air this tire up. Look at this thing, you guys. What do you think? Comment below. Cameron, show them how bad it is.
That is not gonna hold air. You're so stupid.
Of course it starts. Why wouldn't
Oh my gosh.
See if she'll hold air. All right, let's see if this holds.
Dude, it's going up. I'm getting back. You never know, man. You never know.
Dude, this tire is good as gold. These
No.
are Dick C-Packs. Dick C-Packs, by the way, you guys. You just can't beat them. I mean, this thing's been holding air for, what year is this? 2020?
You're so stupid.
It's because I write inspection stickers,
Oh my
boy.
gosh.
You get a little screwed up on dates when you're writing inspection stickers. It's 2020. This here tear is
That's too
officially
much
24
air.
years old.
That's too many years.
That's too many airs, you guys.
I can hear it. Listen. Floor it. He ripped it. Dad, are you good? Daddy, you caught more air than Stubby.
Did you get it on film? Could you see
No.
it? Now you're gonna have to stand up here and I'll redo it. But let me see if I can get started.
Hey. Oh, Dad, no! No, you're... Oh my God, he just made a new trail! He just made a new trail! Dude, the jump box! The jump box!
Why is it fun?
What?
Why is it fun? You know what?
The jump box!
Oh no!
I told you!